last decade. My subject is technology. Technology plays a very important role in our life. It makes our life easier. It helps us do things faster. It is becoming a part of our life day by day. We use technology every day like phone and computer. Technology helps us talk to people far away. It is used in school to help students learn. Doctors use technology to treat sick people. Cars and trains are examples of